In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Razorpay to Shopify. If you want to get started with Shopify, you can check the link in the description. Firstly, go to Razorpay and sign up for an account. Complete your KYC verification and wait for approval via WhatsApp, SMS, or email from Razorpay to start accepting payments. Now go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Razorpay Secure, then click Install when prompt. Log into your Shopify store and then click Connect and Install App. On the Razorpay app landing page, select I am an existing user. Enter your Razorpay API key and API secret. Get these from your Razorpay dashboard under Settings, then API keys. Then click Activate. Now, in Shopify, go to Settings, then Payments. Under Razorpay Secure, click Manage and scroll down to check Enable Test Mode. Then click Save. Place a test order on your site using test card details and confirm the order processes successfully in your Shopify Orders dashboard. You're now ready to accept live payments through Razorpay on your Shopify store.